Chinatown.
They like pretend it's pretty, but it looks like Mexico. Fucking Jews.
It's Chinatown.
Oh god, I hope I don't fall. Oh god, oh god.
The stairs are weird. They're like really big.
Some people are bigger than you are.
Oh my gosh, this must be where they fell to last time.
That's so unnecessary, isn't it? So
Canada life.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at the Jew down.
Look at where the Jews live.
This is where the Jewish are.
This is where the Jews stay.
Jew dig it.
And that's where they play when they're allowed to get out of the house.